Hey guys, welcome back to Chica Glamour. As you can see, my hair is a complete mess. I'm going to be trying this product called Curls for the very first time. This is the cleanser and this is the conditioner. They both have a pina colada scent and I love pina colada, so that makes my hair very happy. I didn't use a lot and as you can see, it spreads pretty well on my hair. I haven't used a comb in a very long time. I finger comb my hair. That might be very strange to a lot of people. Persons with curly hair will tell you that they haven't used a comb in a long time also, or not as often as people with other hair types. I will leave the conditioner in for about 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse. I don't use any towel in particular. I just try and be careful when drying my hair. This product is organic, so that's why I'm down to trying it. Check me out on my Instagram at ChicaGlamour_NYC and my Facebook fan page at ChicaGlamour123. Thanks for watching. See you next time.